Lucy and Claire is marketed as a trendy online clothing store offering stylish fashion at massive discounts. But the real question is a legitimate fashion brand, or do the negative reviews tell the real story? Now, to be fair, not every online clothing store with low prices is a scam. Some newer brands genuinely sell affordable fashion online and rely on social media marketing to attract customers. What it does well: the website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears similar to many modern fashion boutiques. The prices can be very attractive. Large discounts may appeal to shoppers looking for affordable clothing. Where the hype falls apart, the negative reviews are hard to ignore. This is the biggest issue. Many complaints reported across similar, Claire, clothing stores mention poor quality materials, products that look different from the photos, and difficult refund processes. Some shoppers report receiving cheap items. Multiple reviewers describe clothing that looked far worse than the advertised images. Returns can be frustrating. Customers frequently complain about expensive international return shipping and partial refund offers instead of full refunds. So, is Lucy and Claire legit? Short answer: it may be a real store that ships products, but the volume of complaints suggests shoppers should be very cautious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.